Welcome everyone to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In today's session we are going to learn how to create, modify and delete ledgers in Tally ERP 9. In the previous session we have learned how to create, display and modify groups. So, now let's understand what is a ledger. A ledger is the actual account head to identify your transactions and are used in all accounting vouchers. Without a ledger, you cannot record any transaction. For example, purchase, sales, salary, wages, etc. Every ledger will be placed under one group. Now we will create a ledger and understand it practically. Click on Accounts Info. Click on Ledgers. Three options will be show, create, display, and alter. Click on Display. By default only two ledgers are present in Tally ERP 9, Cash and Profit and Loss account. Press Escape key to go back. Now we click on Create. Name field is displayed first. Enter ledger name as salary. Select the group Indirect Expenses. Select Accept Yes. Enter a new ledger. Enter Wages as a new group. Under the group Direct Expenses, select Accept Yes. Press Escape to go back. Let's check the ledgers again. Click on Display. Both the ledgers are displayed. Now let's see how to modify a ledger. Click on Alter. We will select Maruti van ledger to modify. It is under the group Fixed Asset. Now we will put under Vehicle. Press Accept Yes. Let's check it again.